Hello, welcome to the very first edition of Top Places to Eat in Kampala. My name is Jackie DeWay, and of course this is Enoch and Jackie. We want you to have a blast when you come to Kampala, when you're in town. And of course, number one on our list is the Lawns. Amazing place, they're known for game meat. Anything game, this is the place to be. I'll be introducing you to that chef here, very popular guy in this town, Chef Singh, and you'll be meeting him in a bit, and he'll be showing us, I don't know what all this is, but he's going to teach you and I how to go home and prepare it. So Chef, how are you?
Okay, welcome to Lawns Kitchen.
Thank you.
I'm going to show you today different kind of game meat today.
Okay.
Game Serengeti plan, best popular dish.
Okay.
Okay, there are 4 different kind of meat. After a marinate meat,
Everything
1 week.
is marinated
Yes.
separately.
4 days before, I do vacuum. I have your vacuum bag.
Then it's vacuumed.
Yeah,
What is
that's-
that process of vacuuming? What happens?
That's good for your hygienic maintain, and your meat will look fresh and good taste.
Oh, so it
and
tastes like
marination
it's
will keep
fresh.
tender.
Let's start cooking.
Okay.
Alright, so the chef has taken us through the cooking. You said these are salted vegetables. Is that how they say it?
Yes, salted green
salted.
vegetable. This is good for your health.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
How many minutes do you salt for?
This is just one minute.
1 minute.
Yeah,
You
just
leave all
saute
that greens in.
pan fry vegetables.
Okay, so these are fries.
This one
He
fry.
grilled the different meats.
Then now I'm going to put a chips, fries. There are
Chips.
2 different kind of sauce.
Okay.
So
This is
wine
wine juice.
red wine juice.
Red wine juice.
Okay, yes.
This
This is a creamy peppercorn sauce.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to put the hard
This is the
heart beef.
this is beast meat.
What kind of fish?
Heart
This
beast,
is wild red game meat.
blessed pork.
Yeah, this is black bog. This is water bog,
bog.
and this is crocodile. You can see there is all
Looks
looking
nice,
same, but
looks
is
nice.
different. Taste also very different.
And that's it.
All yes, that's done.
So now we can go to the table and wait to be served.
Yes.
This is good. All right, guys. This was the Lawns, very fast place we have reviewed in Top Places to Eat in Kampala. It's in Kololo, Lower Terrace, and it's been awesome. This meal was prepared by the assistant chef. His name is Danbil Singh, and he went all in. This is their favorite. It's called the Serengeti Platter, like the Serengeti Game Park, because they're about game meat, as in wild animals. If you want anything wild, something game, we're going into the holidays. You want to try out Kampala? Abasama mumanyi okujja wano nga mutukubira amasimu tugendeko wa. Our friends and family members do ask us a lot, so we decided to come to Kampala and find out with you where the great food is, what is known for what, and I hope that you get to taste the game meat. The chef did show us how to prepare the meal. You might not get it as nice as he's done it, but at least you can come to the Lawns and have the experience yourself.